regarding the fisherman warning issued by IMD, there are no fisherman warning within 75 kilometers from Goa's coast, but beyond that distance, that is beyond 75 kilometers, there is a set of warnings. The East Central Arabian Sea, Southeast Arabian Sea, and the region just off coast of Kerala, Karnataka, and Lakshadweep. All these regions have warning of squally weather and winds reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, and this condition is expected to remain on 13th, 14th and 15th of September. So fishermen are requested not to venture into Southeast, East Central Arabian Sea and also along and off Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep coast. Now apart from that, for Gujarat coast and Northeast Arabian Sea, there is a similar warning, that is of squally weather and winds of speed 45 to 55 km. That is for Northeast and South Gujarat coast on 13th of September. So these are the warnings. Fishermen are requested not to venture into the above mentioned areas.